So you have decided to start freelancing in 2024, but you are confused about which skills have low competition, high in demand, and easy to learn. Well, this video is for you. I am going to tell you 8 skills that have comparatively low competition, high earning potential, and the best part is that you can learn them for free. But before we start, if you are new or haven't subscribed, my channel, please hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. It will cost you nothing, but it will motivate me to provide you with best content. So let's get started. On number 1, we have TikTok marketing. With the explosive growth of TikTok, businesses are actively seeking individuals who can create engaging content to reach wider audiences. Learn how to leverage trends, use hashtags effectively, and create viral content to boost your market value. On number 2, we have Shorts and Reels editing. Short-form content is ruling the digital space, and if you can edit like a pro, you're in high demand. Learn the ins and outs of Shorts and Reels editing, from transitions to sound effects, and watch your freelancing career take off. On number 3, we have whiteboard animation. This skill has very high earning potential, very less competition. Businesses love using this engaging style to convey complex ideas. It's a skill that can make you stand out in the freelancing crowd. There are a lot of free courses of this skill available on YouTube. Learn, practice, and start your freelancing journey. On number 4, we have finding Instagram influencers. As a freelancer, businesses will pay top dollar for someone who can connect them with the right influencers. Learn the art of influencer marketing through YouTube tutorials and watch your value soar. On number 5, we have social media manager. Being a social media manager is a skill in high demand. Learn how to curate content, schedule posts, and analyze metrics to boost your client's online presence. YouTube has countless tutorials waiting for you to explore. On number 6, we have graphic designing. From creating stunning visuals for social media to designing logos, the demand is endless. Canva is one of the best platforms to start from if you are a beginner, and then you can upgrade to Adobe Photoshop. And yes, you can learn it all for free on YouTube, even if you're just starting out. On number 7, we have YouTube SEO. Every content creator wants to gain more views, and SEO is must for it. This skill is very easy to learn, and by learning it, you can offer your services on freelancing websites, as well as you can offer them directly to content creators via email. Last but not least, we have content writing. In the digital age, quality content is king. Whether it's blog posts, website copy, or social media captions, businesses need skilled writers. Brush up on your writing skills with the plethora of content writing tutorials available on YouTube. For majority of the skills I have just told you, you just need mobile, Wi-Fi connection and motivation to succeed in life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content, and let us know in the comments section down below which skills are you excited to learn. Until next time, happy freelancing.